In this tutorial, I'm going to introduce you to a really fun range of effects that you can create using Photoshop and some uh, basic tool settings. So you open up this file, and here's what you need to do to make your screen look like this. I opened this up and I made sure that my workspace was set to, I'll just show this essentials. And then what I do is I kind of like to just shut that down and then re-wake up specific windows. And I also want to point out that over here at the very edge is my toolbar. I'm just going to scoot that over here. And really the only thing that you need open in addition, this is just me trying to keep my workstation, my workplace kind of clean and simple, is I'm just going to go down to layers. And see how when I open this up, it's stuck. It wants to show me all these other things. I just grab that and I just move it over here. And then I just go up there and I get rid of that, Okay, nice and clean. So if you pull this down, you'll see there's some layer options here. So let's just dive in. I'm going to wake up the top layer. You've got two versions of each. So I'm going to click on that layer, and then the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to Image, Adjust, and I just want to adjust hue and saturation. And check this out. By just changing the hue in that layer, look at all the cool options I can get. Now you can change saturation, lightness, all of this. This is totally up to you. Then click OK. And once you've made that change, then the real fun begins. You're going to go up to Filter, hold down your mouse, go to Distort, and then just scoot over here to Polar Coordinates. So you've got two options here. You can either rectangular to polar, so it pulls all those lines into the center, or you can do polar to rectangle, which is interesting too. So let's first just see what polar does. That's cool, right? So then let's close that layer down and let's wake up the next one. And let's go to image mode, adjustments, I'm sorry. And let's just go to hue and saturation and let's just push it over here. And click OK. And then let's do the same thing with that. Let's just go up here to Filter, holding down the mouse. Distort, still holding down the mouse, scooting over here to Polar Coordinates. Now let's go to Polar to Rectangle, and let's do OK. Very kind of Austin Powers looking. So I'm not going to show you these other layers because these will interact a little differently because of the orientation of the bars. So just dive in and have some fun and get acquainted with this very cool tool.